Hello everybody. So today we are going to talk about friend function. A friend function means it is a friend to the class. So it has the rights to access the data members of the class. The question given to us here is the first one. Create a class named distance with its data members feet and inches. One constructor should initialize this data to 0 and another should initialize it to fixed values. Another member function should display it. The final member function should overload plus operator so that the two distances can be added together, and the key is make it as a friend function. So I've made a program here in code blocks. Let's just have a look at the program and try to understand the question as well as the program. So you begin by including the header file #include iostream and the standard library file using namespace std, and then you have to create a class with the name distance, and the two data members, private data members, will be int feet and float inches. Then there is a constructor inside public distance which will initialize feet and inches to 0. Then we have a parameterized constructor distance int f and float I, and feet will be equal to f, whatever will be passed to f, and inches will be equal to I, whatever will be passed to I. Then I have a display function here inside public only which will display feet as well as inches. Then I have declared my operator overloading function here, which is a friend function to the class. So friend, distance, operator plus, and the two parameters will be distance, comma distance. That will be feet and inches. Then since I have just declared it, I'll have to define the function too. So we are defining our operator overloading function here: distance operator plus distance d1 comma distance d2, and distance temp. I have created an object here called temp of type distance. Temp dot feet will be equal to d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet, and temp dot inches will be equal to d1 dot inches plus d2 dot inches. And just since the return type is distance, you have to return temp. Then I've created a main function here, initialized the main function, distance d1 4 comma 2.1 and distance d2 2 comma 2.2. We have just initialized the values too for d1 and d2, two objects, and d3 is the third object which will be having the sum of d1 and d2, so d1 plus d2. So here, since plus function is there, the operator overloading function will work and it will know how to add. Compiler will get to know how to add. Then I have called the display function here using the d3 object, so it will display. I hope you understood. Now let's just build and run and try to see. Great. So it's showing the sum of the two objects, so feet and inches. I hope you understood. It's simple. Thank you.